Good morning, I'm JK. Before we go to the topic, let us take a look at the photo first. It is a photo taken during Christmas. And can you find anything weird? And can you figure out whose leg is it? This green leg, whose leg is it? Is it the boys or is it the girls? And what are their posture in this photo? And here comes to the topic, pose estimation in computer vision, which means that we want the computer to detect our posture through camera or sensors. And there are a few important aspects of pose estimation. First, human-robot interaction. One of the examples is that when we put a V in front of the camera, it will automatically take a photo for us. And next, autonomous vehicles navigation. Like Tesla, the car may want to navigate the road situation and try to predict where the passenger will go and try to avoid accidents. And last but not least, analyze of social interaction, like when we are annoying or angry. Yeah. And before we go deep into pose estimation, we need to have some basic knowledge about in the field of computer science. And the first basic question we need to answer is that how does the machine know? How does the machine know that in this photo there are two ballet dancers instead of a bunch of numbers and pixels? And the answer is through machine learning. And machine learning is similar to human learning, and it consists of 3 steps. The first step, we may want to find some examples which consists of question and answer. And next, we try to learn the patterns, tricks, or knowledge through the examples. And at last, we apply the new knowledge to a new situation. We apply the knowledge we learn in a new situation and try to get the right answer. So for machine learning, if I want the machine to be able to recognize a left elbow, so I may need to find examples with the whole picture as the question and the indicated area or the areas circled by the red box as the answer. So after I find examples, I feed the example to a machine, and the machine also has a neural network similar to our human brain, and it's called convolutional neural network, or CNN in short. So CNN works by breaking down the pictures into groups of pixels and then passing them to different filters to find out the feature it is looking for. And in our case, it is the features of a left elbow. And then CNN does a series of calculation and improves itself during training by tuning and tweaking the filter. And the filter is the knowledge gained by the CNN. So after we have learned the knowledge, we want to apply the knowledge. So we give a new photo, the two ballet dancers photo, to the CNN. Then CNN will give us a probability map or heat map, so-called. And for a heat map, the redder the area is, the higher the chance we can find a left elbow there. So you can see that there are two left elbow here. So after we understand the concept of CNN and machine learning, we can now try to estimate the posture in this photo. And first, we need to find all the joints we are looking for. So we train other types of CNN for the machine to recognize other types and other joints of the body. Next, we want to link all the joints together. So like here, we try to link the left shoulder to the left elbow. So first, we find all the possibilities that they can be linked together, like here. And you can see that there are two round arrows. The upper one and the lower one are worn. So yes, the machine is dumped here. So we need to find a method to filter it down to a one-to-one connection. So the method we use is still CNN or machine learning. It is similar to the process before. We first find the examples and let the CNN learn the relation between two joints, and then it will gain the knowledge. And when we feed the photo to it, it will give score for each arrow. And you can see that there are 4 arrows, so there are four score for each arrow. And the higher the score is, the greater the chance the arrow is correct. And you can see that there is a stronger connection between the 2 points on the right, the 0.95 instead of on the top, 0.3. So now we get the left arms of the ballet dancers. Then we repeat similar procedures for other connection, like from the left elbow to the left shoulder, to the neck, to the right shoulder, and so on and so on. And the result is we get is here. Thank you so much.